Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more
Hey
updates.
everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you top 10 QR code platforms. QR codes are everywhere right now, from restaurant menus to product packaging to full on marketing funnels. But here's the truth most people don't realize not all QR code platforms are the same. Some are basic, some don't track anything, and some can't even be edited after you print them. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 QR code platforms in 2026 from simple free tools to powerful platforms built for marketing, tracking, and business growth. And make sure you stay until the end because the number one tool can literally turn a simple QR code into a full marketing system. Let's get started. So, number 10 is Canva QR code generator. At number 10, we have Canva QR code generator. This is one of the easiest tools out there. If you're already designing in Canva, you can generate a QR code instantly. You can drag and drop it into your design. So it's perfect for posters, social media graphics, and quick projects. But the downside, these are static QR codes, meaning no editing later, no analytics. So it's great for simple use, but not for serious campaigns. Top 9 is Adobe Express QR Generator. So it's clean, fast, and reliable. You can customize colors, download high quality QR codes, and create non expiring codes. So it feels more professional than Canva, but again, it lacks advanced tracking and dynamic editing. At number 8, QR Code Monkey. This one is super popular and completely free, so you get high resolution downloads, you can custom logos, and you have unlimited scans. But here's the limitation no analytics and no dynamic QR codes. Once you generate it, it's locked. Next is QR Planet. At number 7 is QR Planet. Now we're entering business level tools. So you get scan tracking, performance analytics, and secure QR hosting. This is where QR codes become more than just links, they become data driven tools. At number 6 is Flow Code. So this platform focuses on branding and engagement. You can customize designs, you can track scans, or you can use dynamic QR codes. So it's great for marketing campaigns, events, and influencers. At number 5 is QR code generator. One of the most widely used tools online. It supports URLs, Wi-Fi, contact info, app download, etc. Also, it's very beginner friendly, but for analytics and advanced features, you'll need to upgrade. At number 4 is QR Tiger. So it's a strong platform for businesses. You get dynamic QR codes, bulk generation, and marketing integrations. So it's perfect for agencies, e commerce, and large campaigns. Number 3 is Bacon Stack. This one is built for serious marketing systems. Features include deep analytics, CRM integrations, and campaign tracking. So it's powerful but most suited for teams and enterprises. Next is runner up, we have QR Code Kit. So Tab 2 is a great balance between simplicity and power. You get dynamic QR codes, editable links, and built in analytics. So it's perfect if you want flexibility without complexity. And finally, the number one QR code platform, which is Qroq. So this is where things completely level up because Qroq isn't just a QR generator, it's a complete QR marketing system. Now, what makes Qroq different? It's a fully branded QR code, so you can add your logo, your colors, and style so your QR actually stands out. You can edit your destination anytime, even after printing. So it has dynamic QR codes, advanced analytics, you can track scans, locations, and performance in real time. You have branded QR landing pages, so you can create menus, link pages, video pages, and more. It's AI powered page builder, instantly generate content and pages with AI, and it has ready made templates. So it's perfect for businesses, menus, profiles, promotions. It's an all in one platform. No hosting, no tech setup, and everything is built in. Now, most QR tools only do one thing they generate the code, but Qroq helps you track performance, optimize campaigns, and turn scans into real results. So instead of guessing, you can actually know what's working. So with Grok, you can create QR for restaurants where they can scan digital menus with instant updates. Next is retail. They can scan promotions, product info, and feedback. Next is for hotels. So they can scan services, check-ins, and guest info. And next is real estate for property listings and virtual tours. And so this is where QR codes become a business tool, not just a shortcut link. If you just need a simple QR code, free tools are fine, but if you want to grow your business, track results, and maximize every scan, Croc is easily the best choice right now. So those are the top 10 QR code platforms in 2026. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tools that actually grow your business. And let me know which QR platform are you using right now. Just comment below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.